You cannot hide forever. God is seeing you. You made me right.
Young girl, how are you?
I'm fine, sir.
You're one of the maidens that works in the palace.
Yes, sir.
I am Ono Ugonea.
I know you, sir. Are you not the owner who the prince stripped his position and gave to Chisom's father?
So you are aware of this?
Yes, sir. Everyone in the palace knows about this. And none of us are happy about it, especially we the maidens. What the prince did is very bad. Stripping you off your position, he didn't even look at your beautiful daughter. He went and settled for less. Chisom. Chisomkwa. Oh no, let me tell you. Rumor has it that Chisom and the father are very diabolic. Yes, now. Oh no, is it not clear? What they did to you is not ordinary. Check it very well, you'll see.
Okay. I thank the gods that I have somebody to work with in the palace. My daughter, you will do something for me, but before then, come closer. Come, my daughter. Take this money. Take it. Use it to buy anything of your choice. And when the job is done, I will give you more money. Yes.
You mean I should take this?
It's all yours.
No, this is 100,000.
Hey?
Thank you, sir. Thank you, no. Thank you.
You see, I want you to keep this as a secret. I don't want you to tell anybody that you saw me or that we discussed anything.
Did I see you? I didn't see you.
Good girl. Good girl. Good girl.
I don't know the nature of the job, but whatever it is, I am ready and capable. I am very capable to do anything you want of me.
Good. Well, I still assure you again that when the job is done, more and more money will come your way.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you, no. You're a good man. Yes. You're a good or no.
Let me be on my way. Okay. Thank you. Have a good day.
God searches hearts.
Hey, Adam.
Mama.
Hey. Omali Changwamo, my beautiful girl, my beautiful daughter.
Mama.
Hi. Look at how you are shining. My God, you look so beautiful. Hey. Oh, hey. I'm very, very happy to have a daughter like you. No, I know. I have a beautiful daughter. I am very, very proud. Hey.
Thank you, Mama. Thank you. Thank you so much. Where is Papa? I've not seen him.
Oh, your father?
Yes.
He went out.
Oh.
Yes, he didn't go far.
Okay.
Okay. Why didn't you come with your car after dressing like this? Don't you know you are the princess of this kingdom? You're supposed to come with your car, not coming with your legs. Not walking around with your legs. No, it's not good.
Mama, there is nothing wrong with it. I want to see people and for people to see me too. And besides, I don't want people to start seeing me as a proud princess. So I don't see anything wrong with that.
Chakwelo, you're still listening to what people will say about you. You don't need to. Don't listen to what they will say. Besides, if anybody talk evil against you, my daughter, you know that person is our enemy. You you are the chief maiden, okay?
Yes, ma.
Don't you know that there are things you need to teach her? Eh?
Mama, I tried to, but she refused.
It's okay. Eh? You have to try more.
Okay, ma, I've heard you. Next time it won't happen again. My princess, hope you heard your mother. Me too, I'm even tired of trekking. My leg is paining me.
My friend, will you keep quiet? What's your own? Between you and I, who's supposed to complain? Me now. Mama, don't worry. It won't happen next time, okay?
Let it not happen again, no.
It won't.
No.
So we'll be on our way. Wait for me from you, okay?
No problem.
Alright.
I'll wait until he comes back.
Alright. Adana, let's go. Okay. Mama? Alright. So when are you coming to visit me?
When I'm ready now. I will come.
Mama, you.
I'm not Lubo, no.
Mama, seeing is believing. Alright now.
What's going on here?
On our way coming back from where we went to, we saw these two ladies attacking the princess, so we arrested them.
My princess, not true. We were just trying to.
My friend, will you keep quiet?
It's not like we were attacking her.
Stop lying! I keep quiet!
You two are bloody liars. You wanted to attack the princess. If not for the intervention of the guards, you would have injured her.
Hey, this girl can lie you. My prince, we were just trying to be friendly, oh. Yes. You know, since she's going to be our next queen, we just want to be her friend. That's all. My prince, you can. We're just trying to be nice to her. Please say something. We did not attack you.
Are you sure about this?
My prince, I'm very, very sure. I saw them with my eyes. They were calling Chisom's father an evil man. That he used juju to blind you from seeing them. So you have eyes for only Chisom.
Will you?
My prince, these two are liars. Don't be they see this their face, so liars.
My prince, no, that's not
Will you keep quiet?
Okay, that's enough. Guards,
Yes, my prince.
take them to the guard room and wait for my orders.
Okay, my
My
prince.
prince, that's what we did
Oh,
not
my
attack her. Oh, you're like this girl. You're a liar. You're a liar. We did not attack her. We did not attack her. That's not true.
Are you sure about this?
My prince, I'm very, very sure. I was there now, I saw them with my eyes. They were calling Chisom's father an evil man. That he used juju to blind you from seeing them. So you have eyes for only Chisom alone.
Alright, let's go inside.
Prince Udoka, what have our daughters done that will warrant you to order your guards to deal with them mercilessly as if they are common criminals? Eh? Oh, you are yet to be the king and you are handling us with the iron hand. Let's come and take over this way. If you become the king, what will happen? Oh, you will send the army to come and terrorize every one of us here in this kingdom, yeah? Well, for your information, if you know what is good for you, take those girls to the hospital and let them have medical attention. Or else!
Else what? Ugonaya, else what? What will you do? Do you realize you're talking to the future king of this great kingdom? Oh, because my son is the quiet type, you think you can talk to him anyhow? In my presence? Ugonaya? Oh, I know your anger. Because my son did not choose your daughter to be his wife. That is why you are angry. May the gods forbid that your family will bring calamity into this kingdom. This kingdom has tradition. Sir. Did you ask your daughter and her friends what they did that warranted that punishment? Now let me sound this as a warning. Do not in your life disrespect my son again. any day, anytime in my presence. Because if you dare, I will get you to your knees.
Lolo, are you serious? So after all your son did to our daughters, this is all you have to say? Hi. But you call yourself the queen of this great kingdom. Nsobuado. Akwanoboda. Iye laga mebuom. Ai. Ndia bora hapin. Calm down. My own. Good to calm down. I say calm down. Okwo onye ni mara nkita na akpo ya mputa. Me. Ugonia. Hey. Don't worry. What? You hold on.
God is seeing you.
Chisom,
My queen.
what is your problem? Why do you have to leave the palace without a car? Eh? If you had gone out in a car, this thing wouldn't have happened. Do you want these girls to injure you? Do you think they're happy that your husband picked you and left them? Eh? If you had gone out in a car, this thing wouldn't have happened. Imagine Ono coming here to talk rubbish.
My queen, I just wanted to take a walk around. And besides, I don't want those people to start seeing me as a proud princess. But I'm sorry, it won't happen again.
And what is the meaning of that? What is that supposed to mean? Is it their car?
Oh my queen.
It's your husband's car. It's your right. As the future queen of this kingdom, you have the right to move around in a car. Please, next time, don't try it.
Okay, my queen, I'm very sorry.
It will give you more prestige when you move around in a car. Yeah? Imagine if the guard had not gone out with you. Yeah?
I'm sorry, my queen. It won't happen again. I promise.
It's okay. Just go and have some rest, okay?
Thank you, my queen.
Izuako. Listen very carefully. You see, I had the intention of going to a house late this evening. But thank the gods that I met you here. I never wanted it to look as if I came to your house to insult you. But I want you to have this. I want you to go to that stupid boy called Prince. Tell him not to do anything that will hurt my daughter. Because if he does, he will not find it funny. Moreover, I know very soon you will become his in-law. And your daughter will be his wife. He has taken my position as the owner and gave you mine, but I'm not interested in that. All I want you to do is go there, deliver my message. Say, I don't want your daughter to be a widow at this tender age. Let me finish, my man. Deliver my message.
Gonaya.
Yes.
Do you know that you are very stupid and selfish? In fact, you are wicked. So this is why you stopped me. See how wicked you are. You are now calling our Prince Nkai an opposite stupid and foolish boy because you are no longer the know. Look at you. Anyway, I want to let you know that I am no longer afraid of you. I'm not afraid of you anymore. The Izuako you know before is not the same Izuako today. I am the owner of this kingdom. Now, listen to my warning. If anything should happen to my daughter or Prince himself, I will hold you responsible. And that is when you will know what I can do. I will show you the other side of, oh no, not Izuako. It's me and you in this kingdom. We will know who is who.
Izuako, I am not here to banter words with you. Go and deliver my message.
Ugonaya.
This music you are playing and you want both of us to dance. Are you sure that you can go full length with me in dancing this music?
Ugonaya.
Yes.
Shut up. You are a wicked man. Very wicked. We shall see this kingdom. You cannot do anything.
Oh.
You cannot do anything. Even when you are dead and when you are alive, you cannot do anything. Yes.
Look at the Toki accent for early Christmas, okay?
But the snail must move with its shell.
Alright.
We will know who is who.
What a name?
Try and see. Try and see. We will know who is who in this kingdom. We will know who is who. If we go there, on your jaw, everything about you.
You cannot hide forever. God is seeing you.
Pius, you needed to see Izuako bragging before me, telling me that he's no longer afraid of me. No Zugi Jimbande. Eh? Izuako, what gave him that audacity to stand before you and say that nonsense? No, do you want to die? I know what to do. First, that wings that makes him to brag and he feel that he can fly above the sky, I will break them. His daughter, I will eliminate her first. Then the so-called prince will follow before I ascend the throne. Trust me, I will do that. We are together, as you know. You know, we took an oath that none of us will leak our plans. Understand? So, we are together. Don't worry. I have an important appointment somewhere. Okay. I will be on my way, so you can go. Yes. Oh, we'll see now. Yes. See you in David? Yes, indeed. Thank you very much.
You cannot hide forever.
Evening, my daughter. Please have your seat.
Yeah. Good. Onobu.
Yes.
You said that you have a job for me.
Yes, I have a job for you indeed. But before I start, this is the sum of 200,000 naira. Take it. It's all yours.
I should take it.
Yes.
No, this is too much, oh. Hey! Is this mine?
It's yours and I'm prepared to give you more.
No, what is it that you want me to do? Just say it.
Good.
Name it, I will do it sharp.
I like your zeal. Indeed, I like your zeal. You see, let us see it this way. Just imagine that I becomes the Igwe, and my son that is living in Abuja comes back, become the prince, and get married to you. How do you feel?
Ichie,
Yes,
you mean if you become the Igwe
exactly.
and your son who stays in Abuja comes back as the prince of this kingdom and then marries me, how we feel? Ichie, I'll scatter this community. I will turn this town upside down. Nobody will be able to stand where I stand. When I talk and you talk back at me, I will kill you.
Authority
Straight up, I will
speaking.
kill you. Oh no, I will walk with my shoulders up high like an eagle. Oh no, you've not seen anything. When is this happening?
That is where we are approaching.
Okay.
By the time we do what we want to do now, all these things you've just said will become a reality.
Hey, oh, no, what is it? What is it that you want me to do? I am willing to do it.
You see this substance, this little substance, you see that unfortunate princess, you know when she eats, monitor her, add it to her food, and make sure nobody sees you.
Oh no.
Yes.
If I add this to her food and she eats it, what would then happen?
She will just sleep and will never wake up. Okay.
That means she will die.
Exactly.
Oh no.
Yes.
Are you sure this would work?
100% sure it will work.
Oh no, why I'm saying is because what I am seeing here looks like salt. Oh no, I have perfectionist problem. I like things to be done correctly without mistake. Oh no, are you sure this is strong?
Good. It is strong. It looks like salt, but it's not salt. 20 minutes after eating this substance, the person is gone. And we made it that way so that when they even see you, they will not suspect anything.
No, 20 minutes is too long now. I want the one that when she eats it, immediately, 1 second, she's dead. I don't want them to rush her to hospital and then revive her. I want her to die.
Very powerful. Yes.
Consider it done. Oh no.
Yes.
Consider it done. Oh no. If you even want me to kill any other person in that palace, except the prince. Oh no. I am capable. Oh no. I will become the queen.
Yes.
Me. You found me worthy.
Exactly.
Hey. No, Chogodinum nylon. Give me nylon. Let me put this money.
Prince, leave that subject matter for us. Myself and the elders will do that calculation.
Mama, please leave me alone. Mama, give me one.
What's going to? Wait, I hope you're not going to Ezobi's house again.
Because his wife will just bait you with acid. Which stupid Ezobi. You expect me to go back there after he ruined my life? Mama, see, let me tell you, I have to leave this village. People are talking to me anyhow. Even people that are better than riffraffs. They are talking to me.
Leaving the village?
Yes.
So where?
Let me go to the city. Let me be useful to my life. Let me change a new place. The fact that the prince did not marry me does not mean another good man, richer than the prince, will not marry me. So let me leave. Let me go to the city.
Ozoma, you are going to the city. What do you know in the city? Let me ask you. And what business do you think you'll be doing in the city?
Mama, I don't need to know anybody in the city. And any business anything that can fetch me money, anything that will give me money, Ozioma will do it. I will do it.
Yo, where will you be sleeping? Because I know your father does not have any house in the city. He doesn't even have any good house in the village called Fortified City.
Mama, are you really asking me that?
Yes, so.
You are asking a full-grown woman like me where I'll sleep. Anyways, there's no problem. Anywhere I see head, I will sleep. Mama, please, I'm leaving. Anywhere you see, you sleep. Hey, Ozoma, don't bring any unwanted pregnancy to this house. So anywhere you see, you will sleep. Because if an illiterate old man in this village can deceive you, Gen Z boys will not even find it difficult. Say, don't give vam. Don't bring any nonsense pregnancy to this house. So rubbish. And I go as if you know anything. Big for nothing. Nonsense.
What is it? Where are you?
Nothing.
Cynthia, what are you hiding? I saw you. You just picked something. What are you hiding? What's that now? What are you hiding?
Nothing.
I don't understand. Am I that blind? I cannot see. You are hiding something now. It's obvious. What are you hiding?
I just told you nothing. What is it?
Cynthia, you are hiding something. You're telling me it's nothing.
What do you want to see? It's salt. Salt. Do you want to lick salt?
Cynthia, ordinary salt? No. Cynthia, you're hiding ordinary salt. Common salt. This girl, you're too stingy. You see this your stinginess, You don't go level 100. Ordinary salt. Because you brought salt, you are hiding it from all of us. Cynthia, you will use my perfume here. You will not even tell me, oh. You will just use it and spray anyhow you like it. Now you brought salt and you're hiding it. Common salt.
Do you want to lick it?
I don't want to lick it, though.
Hey.
Don't want to lick it.
Why are you making issue out of nothing?
By the way, what are you doing with this small salt?
Yeah, my mother gave it to me.
Your mother gave it to you? So there is no salt in the palace?
I don't understand. What is your problem? What is your issue? What is the color of your problem?
Me, I don't have problem, Mom. I don't have problem.
I thought you were busy outside.
Yeah, so I'm busy outside. But I saw the way you just passed me now. You just walked past me. You didn't even say hi. You doing as if you didn't notice me. So I said, let me come and check up on you. Let me know what is wrong with you. How do I know it's salt? Common salt.
Doche, I am fine.
You are fine. I know you are fine. Let me go back to
just
what I was doing.
Good for you. Is that my bag? No. Forget the bed.
It's careful with this one now. There's not enough salt though. How would you cook this kind of food now? How can you cook this kind of food without enough salt? Hurry! You will not tire. I don't get strength again to come out. And this one don't finish. I'm tired though. I don't have strength to go to that kitchen now. And there is enough salt there. Wait though. Cynthia came back today with salt. Yes. Dikeh. I don't say she don't hide them. No, she don't feel better for me. She feel like this girl can hide things. This girl is too stingy. Don't catch him.
Every day for the tea, one day for the food. You won't reach my tongue. Use it. You should let her cry blood. Use it. Anything you bring inside this room is for all of us. It's for all of us. You see, there is no way sharing. Learn how to share. Stop being stingy, necessarily stingy. See my life. I don't eat now without water. Eh? See water. Oh, I don't have strength to go to that kitchen. I don't have strength. Hi.
This girl's meat. Let me even eat out of it. Very stingy girl. Ah, so hard. Beggar. No salt. Understand this salt.
It's already.
So, I'm adding salt to this as well. But I'm not noticing the taste.
Same thing, no. I was eating the food, there was not enough salt. I said, how can this girl cook without putting enough salt? Eh? And I didn't have the strength to go back to the kitchen. You know me now, I'm lazy, I'm very lazy. So I was now looking for salt. I checked this our container, there is not enough salt though. So I now remember that you came back with salt this afternoon. And I had to, look for it. Yes, I looked for it and I saw where you hid it, under the bed. This guy, see you. So I had to, put small in my own and add the rest here. So,
hold on. Just hold on. Just hold on.
What?
Just hold on. Hold on. You mean the thing I kept here?
Yes, now the salt now. What happened now? What's wrong with you?
Dochi.
Eh?
Dochi.
What is it?
Okay, just hold on. You mean you brought out that thing? The thing I kept under the bed. And you put it inside this salt container.
Yes.
And that's what I've been eating.
What's wrong with you?
Salt! Dochi!
What is it now? What did I do? What is the problem? Wait. Why is she crying? I don't know. What's wrong with you now? Oh my God.
Wait.
My tummy. Please don't start. What's wrong with your tummy?
This thing is not salt. It's not salt. This is poison.
Poison?
This is poison. Oh no, Ugonaya gave it to me. He said I should put it in Chisom's food.
Hey!
Chisom will eat it. And Chisom will die. You put it in my food. I don't want to die. I don't want to die.
You are wicked.
I don't want to die.
I thought you were only stingy. I didn't know you were evil.
Please go somebody to help me.
My brain.
Help me to help me. I don't want to die. I don't want to die.
This is an abomination. This is very unfortunate. This girl was killed. She was poisoned to death. But I have joy in my heart. Because before she died, she mentioned the person who asked her to kill my wife. The person is right here amongst us. I know him. But I refuse to mention his name until the time is right. Let the gods of my ancestors avenge her death.
He said,
oh no, my attention is needed at the city. I have to go. But we must give her a befitting burial according to customs and tradition. Can you do that for me?
He said as if I could have there. Don't worry.
Oh no, there's a problem. There's a problem, a very big problem, you know. That girl has made a mistake. And the mistake she made has claimed her life. So as you can see, the problem continues. What do we do?
My elders, if we must do something to stop him, we must do that now and fast. I heard that he will be traveling to the city day after tomorrow. And we all know, when he travels and comes back, he will start his coronation process. And I don't think that we want that to happen. We can't put our hand and watch that happen.
The gods of our land will never allow that to happen.
I see.
Yeah. Ezek, are you mad? Are you okay? How can you bring us into this matter when we actually know that what we are doing is wrong? It's an abomination. And you are bringing us into the matter. See, let me tell us here. If we want to succeed in this, sorry to say this our evil plans, we must keep God out of this. If we must succeed. Let's keep God out of this. Let's achieve our aim.
Dikeh, I want you all to relax your mind. Okay. You see, this thing is very simple thing. That royalty, we must grab it by fire by force. I tell you, it's very simple. Since the boy will be traveling a day after tomorrow, we will eliminate him by just putting a stand for him on the way. And when he dies, everything will be clear for Lolo and that small girl. Oh, Fenkup. There are no keys.
Oh no?
Yes.
Oh no? Yes. Are you sure? Oh no, are you sure for what you are saying?
I am 100% sure.
Okay,
I'm not guessing.
Let me ask you. What are we going to do about what we said?
Oh,
really important. What are we going to do?
It's very simple. Follow his instructions to the latter, and the rest will be story. Gentlemen, take your drink and be merry. Stop worrying. Stop playing a number like this. Simple matter.
You cannot hide forever.
Are you okay? You don't look happy. What's wrong?
My love, I'm not comfortable with this trip. My mind is telling me that something is wrong. Please, cancel the trip.
I can't do that.
Listen, my presence is needed. The company needs more staff. And I'm going to ensure that we employ the right people. I'll be back in no time. You have nothing to worry about. Come on. And you have to stop being negative, okay? Think about positive things, not negative things. Alright?
No problem. It's fine. But I'm still not comfortable.
Oh, come on. Listen, I'll be back in no time. I promise you, okay? I need to sort things out. I'll be back before you know it. Come on. Relax. I'll be fine. I think I need to change some of these things because they're too much. I need to carry some of them. No, it's okay. I can do it. Relax. Okay? Alright?
Hello? Hello? Yes, it's me or no. Yes, I called to inform you that the prince will be traveling tomorrow. Yes. I will be monitoring his movement. The moment he leaves, I will call you so that we will perform the ritual as stipulated. Yes. Oh, about others? No. They say 2 is a pair, 3 is a crowd. Let both of us do it for the interest of all of us. Yes. 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 You know what? Just leave your line on so that once he moves, I'll call you and you'll be at the place we agree. You understand? Yes. That's why Angel like you on Monday. Yes, I can control you. Odogum. Odogum. Don't worry. Yes. We'll go and meet that place and I owe you a bottle of water. Congo. Okay. Don't worry. I'll take good care of you. Won't finish the job. Thank you. Man calls. Nonsense, boy.
Hey, you need to hurry up. What's wrong? Why are you sad? Listen, you have nothing to worry about. I'll be back before you know it, okay? And stop being negative. Nothing is going to happen to me. I promise.
I'll miss you.
I'm going to miss you too. Let me know if you need anything, okay? Alright?
Alright.
Come here. Take care. Call me. Alright? Alright. I love you too. Bye-bye. Bye. Yeah.
Now you could be my queen, now you could be my queen, They like and they don't like and now you could be my queen, Now you could be my wife, Now you could be my queen, They like and they don't like and now you could be my queen, Now you could be my princess, Now you could be my queen, They like and they don't like and now you could be my queen, Now you could be my queen, Now you could be my queen, They like and they don't like and now you could be my queen. I have found my love, a true love, someone my heart beats for. I have found my love, someone.
Hello? Yes? Ichiezeka? Oh, he has gone. Meet me at the gate. Yes, the palace gate. Please, hasten up. I am on my way. Good. Udoka! Prince Udoka! Wherever you are, you must stop there. You will not come back to this palace alive. We decree that your eyes be blind and that of your driver. Your motor, car you travel with somersault 10 times. As in had you, who the weapon never kaga. So shall it be, because we decree and declare that.
What's going on here? What are they doing? Carrying those things in their hands.
I don't know, I'm as confused as you are. I just came out and saw these men doing incantation. I don't know. I need to call Prince Udoka.
Right?
I need to call Prince Udoka.
Where are they? Where are they?
My queen, they were here when I left. Maybe they have left. I don't know. They were here.
So, why did you come and call me when they were still here? Eh?
My queen, I was afraid. I was scared. They were doing incantations with clay pots, calling Prince's name to die.
Adanna,
My queen.
you saw a thing like that. You couldn't inform me on time. Where are the guards? Go and call them.
Yes, my queen.
So what kind of thing is this? Do you know?
My queen, I don't know. I'm sure of what I'm saying. They were here when I left. I saw them. I know what I saw. I saw them. I'm even surprised that.
Where were you? Eh? Where have you been? Some people walked into this compound making fetish incantation with my son's name. Where have you been? Why did you allow them to enter this compound?
My queen, we didn't say anyone walked to this compound doing any incantation.
What?
Yes, my queen.
I don't understand.
Yes, my queen.
Adanna.
Yes, my queen.
Chisom.
Yes, my queen.
Are you sure of what you are saying?
Yes. My queen, I'm very sure. I saw them myself. I came out, I saw them.
I don't know what's going on.
Let me call the prince. I don't know. It's ringing. Hello? Why are you with my husband's phone? Pass the phone to my husband. I want to speak with him. What?
What?
Accident!
Eh? I see what?
My husband is dead.
Give me that phone! Give me the phone! Give me the phone! Hello? 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 What's going on?
Chisom! Help her! Chisom! Go and get water! Chisom!
Yeah? Chisom or whatever you call yourself. What actually happened to our prince?
Because this nonsense story you are telling us here, we don't understand you. What happened to our prince?
What else do you want me to say? I've told you people that Ugonaya here and Chief Udoka walked into this compound after my husband traveled, making incantation, calling my husband's name to die. After that, I received a call that my husband is dead. I rushed to the hospital with Lolo. I saw my husband's lifeless body. God.
Let me also ask you. When the prince was traveling, you and who saw him off?
Just me.
Just you. And after some time, you received the call that he had an accident and died. Okay? You received a call that our prince, Udoka, had an accident and died. You went to the hospital without telling any of the elders. Now let me tell you. Are you supposed to be the first person to see the prince's body? Are you? Huh? I'm asking you.
Ichiezobi, just 1 minute, because this girl is trying to provoke me. Bia, are you trying to say that we are responsible for what happened to the prince? Okay?
You both killed my husband. You both killed my husband. Now tell me, what was the meaning of that incantation you both came here today to perform after my husband traveled? Tell me! You both are evil! You killed my husband!
Wait, oh! This girl is serious. Is it because you keep quiet and you are here running your mouth? Okay. If you say you have evidence to what you are saying, provide it!
Or what?
Huh? Ezeka, or what will happen? Evil man. Look, my daughter has explained herself, and I believe her. But because of the evil inside all of you, I know you will not believe her. Because all of you are evil. Prince. But let me promise you. This particular one now will take your heads if you don't take time. It's a promise.
Oh, come. Are you trying to threaten us or to scare us?
Ogonaya, you know me too well, and you heard me loud and clear. I don't make empty threats. Whatever I said stands. Ono bara wicked. Ono gala madeni. Tikonya ngogo, mabukonya hebo. Ono otu ono na. Ichono. You know you are mad. You are a madman. And don't let me to get angry with you. You are a madman. Look at you. You had the God to talk to we elders like that. Are you stupid? Huh? Lord.
Ugonaya.
Yes, my lord.
Ezeka.
Lord.
What are both of you doing in my palace? So after killing my son, you are here to mock me? Is that why you are here? I don't want to see both of you in this compound now. Leave immediately, please.
Is it?
Get out. I said get out of my compound immediately. Both of you. Even you follow. You both killed part of them. Get out. Get out immediately. Get out. Get out.
Get out. Music.
Get out.
You cannot hide forever. God is seeing you.
Mama, I don't want those men to attend my husband's burial.
Why?
Because I don't know their next line of actions. Those men are evil. I don't want to set my eyes on them.
My daughter, don't worry, they will come. We will allow them to come. Let them come and bury whom they killed, so that the curse will remain upon their heads. You think that the calamity will not come? Surely it will come, and the calamity shall be upon their heads. Yeah, my daughter, Lolo was right. You know you have to barb your hair before you mourn your dead husband. Yeah, we see. He will party mulang.
Eh? Mama? You mean my hair?
Yes, that is the tradition. Eh? Yeah, we see.
God disposes, God searches hearts. God searches hearts.
How are you? Please, we came for a booking. This one. Okay, thank you very much. How are you? We came for a booking. The director of. Yes, come and show us around. Oh no, this one will suit you.
Huh? And what about you?
You never Can you open it for us? Now, please open this one for us.
Check the other
Hey, Ono. Ono.
Yes, I'm with you.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. This is turning.
Oh no, the belly with this one.
Everything is turning around.
Why? If they bury you with this one, you will go to heaven.
And if they bury you with this one, where will you go?
Nah, come and show this one.
If they bury you with this one, where will you go? Where will you go?
You never reach.
Never reach. Okay. You go know when you reach. This one doesn't talk. At all. This one.
Okay, is there another one? That one there. Okay, sure.
Let's go.
This one is turning too.
Yes, it's certainly.
Hey. Oh no. I think this one is okay.
I think so.
This one is okay.
And the deeper flower in there. This flower, will they come with it?
No, we'll stop asking me unnecessary questions. Come and show us the casket. Let's make a choice.
Casket? Okay, inside there.
Inside, yes. You know, casket. It can don't go to an
You know, it's a king. We have to bring something that is very befitting of a king. Something that is befitting of a king.
God is seeing you.
No, you are a poor man. If they eventually bury you with this coffin, you will go to heaven.
And if they bury you, where will you go?
It is not yet time now. It's just about 250 years. No, look around. Give him up. Hold on, wait. Hold on.
Are we in Nigeria or overseas?
Ask the coffin. Ask the casket where you were. No, come and see this one. I think this one is okay. This one is okay.
It's okay.
No, open what? Do you want to enter?
You test here. It will be test here. It will be test
on your job. There's no problem. Let's do the payment. Thank you. So, we are forgetting something. Those people that play band.
Oh yes, that so it's drum.
And we need also what do you call it? There's one long jeep Yes.
It's available. It's available.
And that big car, that one all these big men, rich men used to drive. They call it Rolls Royce. We need those ones. Give us.
We have it.
Rolls Royce.
So give us the bill.
That is about total everything. Only together, jam it and.
We want our prince to go to heaven. Straight.
Immediately. Correct.
And I'm sure if we bury him with all these things now, heaven straight.
So say.
And they will take about his job.
Go and say it.
Udoka. Udoka. Udoka, what's happened? Udoka, you left your mother. Udoka, who did this to you? It's too early. Whom did you leave me for? Your father left me. Udoka, your father left me. And he became my husband. Udoka, look at me all alone in this world. Udoka, who did this to you, my son? Oh, God, stop for our land, where are you? Hey, this is too hard for me to bear. Mama, this is too hard for your mother to bear. This is too hard for me, Udoka. Hey, my son, if it is the gods that called you, please, my son, rest in peace, oh? You know, rest in peace. Not be ready for this sadness in your death. Do not have rest until they join you.
My good people of Isiako Kingdom, you people have heard what happened. As a matter of fact, this bowl of water is containing the water they use in washing the dead body of our late prince. We are applying our tradition. The wife, Chisom, must come and drink from this water to prove that she's not guilty of the allegation leveled against her about the death of our prince. Chisom, young lady, please come. The people of Isiako Kingdom are waiting for you. Come!
What is she waiting for? Where is she?
Come out here! Come!
Take it easy. Take it easy.
Take this water and drink it for our people.
Stop crying and say something, please.
Stop wasting our time. Take this water and drink.
People of Isiako Kingdom, if I, Chisom, is responsible for the death of my husband, let me die instantly as I carry this water. But if Ugonaya here is responsible, let him go blind as this water touches him.
Take the water.
That is my daughter. Yes. She's your mama.
Yes, my eye.
I
cannot see again. Can somebody help me? I cannot see.
Ugonaya.
I hold me my eye.
Hey, Ugonaya.
My eye.
You cannot see.
How can he see? What can he see? Oh, that for so close. Oh no, you cannot see.
I cannot see.
Ugonaya.
I cannot see.
Ugonaya. You cannot see anything.
I cannot see.
Hey!
What do you want to see?
I want to see people like
Would you go? Shift from here. Evil man.
Oh no.
What do you want to see? Oh no, what do you want to see again? Tell me.
Oh no.
Oh no.
You have received your reward.
Oh no. Oh no.
Lolo, while the elders and I came here, that the prince is dead and buried. Your former husband, our late Igwe, did not have any son. And because this kingdom cannot function without the Igwe, the kingship must be shifted to another family.
So this is the reason you are here?
What?
To discuss the kingship. It's just 4 days. The prince, my son, was buried. And the only thing that came to your mind is the kingship. So bad.
Our friend, sorry. I don't see anything wrong in what Ugonaya said. Just like he rightly said, this kingdom must move forward. And if we must move this kingdom forward, we must have an Igwe. So we have to crown another Igwe. Besides, your son, the prince, we cannot mourn him forever.
So which of the families do you intend to move the kingship to?
Lord, are you the one asking this question? To my family, of course, and I will become the next Igwe.
Ugonaya?
Yes.
Did I hear you well?
Of course, yes.
That you want to become the king of Isiaku kingdom?
Yes, of course.
A blind man? May the gods forbid. You cannot. You are a blind man. How can a blind man be the king of a great kingdom like this? That means the kingdom will remain blind for eternity.
No. I have executives. They will guide me aright.
All of you should leave my compound.
What did you say?
Get out.
Yeah? Oshe?
Do I have water in my mouth when I said it? Get out.
No.
Get out!
Elders. Let's go. Ezeka. What I know, okay? No problem. What I
You cannot hide forever. God is seeing you.
My princess, please come and eat something. Eat your food. Come and eat now. Come and eat your food. If you continue like this, you might end up falling sick. And I don't want that. No matter how much you suffer, the prince is not coming back. He's gone and gone forever. Please now, come and eat.
Ghana, it's not better I die.
No, God forbid. You won't
It's not
die.
better I die.
No, no.
It's not better I die. What did you leave me here for?
No, you're not going to die.
What am I doing here?
You're going to
die. It's better I die.
No, it's not. It's not. No.
My love. Why are you crying? I'm doing just fine. I'm actually in a better place.
I'm so happy to see you, my love. I've missed you.
My princess, who are you talking to?
Are you okay? What happened? Who's after you? Did you have a nightmare?
Yes. Yes.
What happened?
My love, please, cancel the trip. Please. My mind is telling me that something is wrong. Please.
I can't do that now. It's important that I travel. If I don't travel, a lot of things will go bad.
Listen to me.
No, you listen to me.
Your life is more important
Listen,
to me.
I have to travel. If I don't travel, things will go bad. You just had a nightmare. It's not real. Dreams are not real. Okay?
Your life is more important to
Listen,
me, please.
you just had a dream. You need to relax. Okay? Lie down. Come. Come here. Just lie down. Just relax.
My queen, please help me and beg the prince not to travel. The dream I had was so real. It was clear, please.
The dream was so real?
Yes, my queen.
My son, you have to cancel the trip. Call the general manager. Tell him that something came up. Let the people come back by month's end.
Alright, Mom. Done. I heard you.
It's okay.
Done.
Thank you.
My prince! My prince! Something has happened. Something abominable.
What's that?
It's about Ichi Ogona.
What happened to him?
He has gone totally blind.
Blind?
I was in my house this morning, early morning, when my phone rang. It was Ichi Pius. They are called to say that Ichi Ogona have gone blind. And I ran to confirm it was true. He's blind. Obuenisi. There's a problem. What do we do?
Good Naya. I'm aware you're blind. I've been told you're blind.
Yes, Master.
You walk around the entire community, a blind man. Wow. With all your ego, confidence, you're now a blind man. Have you seen where evil has landed you? You tried to kill me. You connived with some of the elders, some of the chiefs here to dethrone me. You wanted to hijack the throne. And you think the gods of the land, the gods of my ancestors, would let that happen? I'm aware you instructed the diseased maiden to kill my wife. But she poisoned herself instead. How wicked could you be? Listen to me. After my coronation, you will be banished from this kingdom. If I ever see you around here, I shall feed your carcass to the birds. You, and you. I know what you have been up to. I am aware of your every move. I know how evil you all are. You are wicked men. Henceforth, your membership as chiefs in council has been dissolved. You cease to be a member of this cabinet. You have 5 minutes to leave my palace.
Don't leave my friends.
Oh no.
It is like
Ugonia, how market? How market Ugonia? Esimoti. It's like a how market. You see your life. You see your life Ugonia. You told us that you are capable of getting anything you want. But now look at how you are, where your evil has landed us. Okay? Oguni na ngo kopara no wa makaya makaya gwo na bale kwa lelu makaya gwo na migi ha to ile ebu hela ni all the time we prepared wasted our money is not a waste.
You pay for the money.
Okay? Anyway, there's no problem. At least I am better than you. I can get my I can see clearly, but you can't even see the color of the clothes you are wearing. You see your life?
Ezobi, what are you people still doing here? The prince said that you should leave here within 5 minutes. Ever gonna go when up mankata arono pakoba since you wa. Huh? Could you give me po?
Yeah. Obiako, Izuako. Am I the one you're talking to?
It go ever. It two ever.
Jokwam. Izuako, you're talking to me, Ezobi.
Ezobi, the two ever. I'm not joking.
I see. Izuako, am I the one you're talking to like that? Eh? So, you cannot talk boldly because the prince has married your daughter. Okay? Because the prince has married your daughter. That's why you can sit before me and talk boldly.
Why would I talk? You brought a goat because of the service.
I don't blame you. I don't blame you. You are not seeing yourself as a big man because the prince went to the market and bought you that nonsense back there. You call a car. He went to the market instead of buying you a pleasure car. He went to the market and bought you a Dasun truck.
You don't even have shame.
He bought you a Dasun truck. Yeah, Izuako. I can hear you in the bell on you. You don't
even have shame.
You, Izuako. You
can't do anything. Somebody show me the way. Please, somebody.
You want to see the way?
Yes, please.
Okay, come, let me show you the way. Stand up, let me show you the way.
Show him the way.
Everybody keep quiet. Let me show you the way.
You cannot hide forever.
That is the gate to the hellfire. Don't worry, Satan will soon come and open the gate for you.
You made me 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 Just one day, your face will so good. Just one day, all your hidden evil will be open. Apoluna Jonya Diranizina. If I never carry a man, Diojo, you cannot hide forever. God is seeing you. He made me cry. He made me shed tears. He must pay. He must cry too. Shed. He must cry. Ndiojo, you cannot hide forever. God is seeing you. You made me you made me shed tears. You made me you made me shed tears. You made me just one day, if it's so good, just one day, all your hidden evil will be open. Apoluna Jonya Diranizina. If I never carry a man,
Oh no. I'm very excited things are normalized. But we have a great task ahead of us. We must establish a new cabinet of chiefs. We must nominate the right people. It is our responsibility to rule this kingdom with a lot of transparency. There will be no room for injustice. Tell the people I said so.
Igwe Udoka Omenka, the Ezioku Udemwa, one of Isiako Kingdom. You will not make mistakes like your father. Our land is cool. And if anybody should wear Ugonna Yakarata again, he will not just be blind, but we will stone him to death. Bye, the government.
Thank you very much. No.
Dali Igwe.
Dali Nama.
Ise. Omenka. Omeka Naya. In a mouth, ma.
Who's that I go win the heart of Prince? Opposite one get color be Prince, you gone over. Or the Igwe's cabinet. One job I gone on. One their daughter to marry the Prince, you. Before they go to pancake, before they go to lipstick, before they go to apple. The walk on Anya. DJ go cigar. Chinyesi adafa one. For them to look beautiful. The walk on Anya. Oh, say to go. Now my daughter you go marry. She be a wedding princess. I prepare her for you. Just give her attention. Now my daughter you go marry. She be a wedding princess. I prepare her for you. She's for their daughter without minding what it will cost. Makine nebekwa prince.